Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with an awesome functional workout for your core and abs. You're gonna love it, so let's get right into it. First exercise, we have a torso twist, all right? 30 seconds on the clock. This is one of my favorite exercises, all right? For warming up, for working your core, your back, all right? If you have a little tight shoulders, I like to do this first to warm up. All right, you're gonna make sure that your legs stay still, your hips stay squared forward, and you're just moving your upper body, your torso. All right, you can have your hands in front of you like this, or you can have them out and open palm twist, all right? Or I also like to do an open and closed twist, all right? I've done these in videos before. All right, so 3 different variations there for you. You can go ahead and choose your favorite one, but we are doing 3 sets, so you can try all 3 of them. All right, just make sure you remember to keep your lower body still, all right, and just isolate that torso. And 3, 2, 1, center, and then release. Very good. Next, we have some oblique bends. All right, I'm gonna give you different variations for this as well. One is hands behind your head or your ears so you don't pull on your neck. All right, and we're going side to side, making sure that your back is nice and straight so we're not arching, all right? We're not rounded over. Nice straight back, elbows to the floor, all right? Or you can go ahead and put your hands down by your sides and kind of slide down your legs, all right? That's another one. Or you can have your hands all the way above your head and go side to side like that, all right? So find one that suits you, that calls to you, and go ahead and do that one. And 3, 2, 1, center, and release. Very good. Next, we have a standing crunch, all right? Hands behind your ears, and we're gonna go knee up and crunch. All right, so we are coming down and crunching to our knee, but we're not rounding our shoulders, all right? This is in the core. We're not going like this, all right? You're crunching your abs, crunching your stomach, all right? Very good. Breathing, coming back to standing once you crunch. So crunch, stand before you go into that other one. You kind of don't want to stay down here and go from side to side. No, stand back up, boom, crunch up. Very good. That's where you're gonna feel it most. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Awesome job. Last but certainly not least, we have a high knee twist. This one's fun. So high knees go like so, but we're gonna twist, all right? So high knee and then twist towards that leg. Or you can have your hands out like I just did, or you can have them in front of you. Breathing, very good. Coming back to that center. Remember, always resetting before you go to the next side. Right, standing, twist, stand, twist. Very good. Don't forget to breathe. I know sometimes we hold our breath when we're focused on something, but it's super important to deliver oxygen to your muscles. All right, so you can kind of match it up with what you're doing. So you put your leg back down, inhale, exhale as you twist. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and release. There we have it. Set 1, done and dusted. We're gonna go right into set 2, so big breath. In 3, 2, 1, let's get it.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
And 3, 2, 1, center, release. Very good. Oblique bends. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center, release, very good. Standing crunch, let's go, breathe. And 3, 2, 1, stand, very good, release, high knee twist, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center and release. Very good, 2 sets. Done and dusted, 1 more to go. Big breath.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
And 3, 2, 1, center, release, very good, oblique bends. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center, release, very good, standing crunch, let's go, breathe. And 3, 2, 1, stand, very good, release, high knee twist, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center and release. And there we have it, my beautiful people, 3 sets done and dusted of this awesome core and ab workout. I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our other videos. We have challenges, recipes, we have it all. And I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.